Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today's weekly stamping collab was hosted by Nerdy Creations, and these are the manicures we prepared. Check the description box below for links to everybody's video. Let's get started. As a base, I've already applied this LA Colors Color Craze nail polish. This is number 800 and it's called Treasure Chest. I got this one at Dollar Tree. I applied 2 coats of the polish and finished it off with my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat. I've chosen this H la Cosedora stamping plate because of the words that it has, good vibes only and boho, so this is what I'm going to be using to stamp today. It's called Gypsy Spirit, and this one is from the special edition Make-A-Wish collection. Remember, you can use my discount code Jenny10 to take 10% off your order at hlacosedora.com. Check the description box below for more information. Today I'm going to be using Maniology's white polish called Bam White. We start off by applying the polish onto the plate, then use a scraper to scrape off the excess, and with a stamper I pick up the image and I place it directly onto my nail. I noticed that the white is really vibrant, so for the other nails, I'm going to use Maniology's gold stamping polish called Heart of Gold. To finish off, I'll apply my Hansen matte top coat. This is the completed manicure. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!